how you can get the YouTube ratio in YT Create application. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I am going to show you how you can create YouTube ratio for your project during the editing of the YT Create application. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, let's get started. You have to open the YT Create application, and you can see this is very long video. If you want to get the size of the YouTube video, all you have to do is tap right here on the three dots at the top of the screen. From there you can see the aspect ratio, so just tap right here on the aspect ratio. Now you can see the three options: 1 by 1, 9 by 16 and 16 by 9. So YouTube video, so the ratio for the YouTube will be 16 by 9, so you will have to tap right here on the 16 by 9. You can see the save option, so just hit the save button and you can see the ratio of your video will be changed. So this is finally the YouTube ratio, and hope you guys like my video, and please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.